Hello, bro. My name is Hariom Patel, and today is my eighth day of English speaking practice, and my day was good. And I basically I right now I feel that little bit quite nervous just because of my day hectic day, and I have basically today I have solved so many problems of DSA, and that's why I I during the solving while solving a problem I do not I did not take the rest so that I I cannot I I am feeling quite quite lazy or quite sleepy just uh, I, I but I don't sleep. I do not sleep. I do not want to sleep because after 13 or 15 minutes later, after 13 or 35 minutes, I, I go to the gym. I am about to go to the gym. I am about to go to the gym. So basically, just I want basically I think that I record the videos. I record the video of English speaking practice. I I record the video of English speaking practice and so that so on. So basically, this is not matter that today I just I forget it what should I speak. Basically, today I want to take the topic of like sky. What is the meaning of sky? Just to think that. Uh, means the sky means just relate the human's life. When you relate the human's life, sky means the one those who have wants to those who wants to get to something different. Like you can compare it like sky. So means most of the parents uh, name our children like Akash. Means like Akash means they have a huge they Akash means they have they they have a huge exploring in the world. Means they name of meaning of Akash they those area where you can explore the more and more, and they never in that area. This is called the Akash, and they used to basically today I want to take the topic like I have not I have not I have not I haven't prepared any topic, so that I today also I take the training topic just because of my fluency, and today I'm not and I'm not I could not record the video after 20 or 25 minutes. Just I record the 10 yet 15 yet videos because I have basically right now I have no time to record the long duration videos, but I try to give my best in the duration whatever I speak. Just I speak very confidently and speak very calmly, and someone wants to just you can think that I uh, today I woke up like 8:30 a.m. and after waking up after wake up I start to solve the just I scheduling my mind that I scheduled my mind that what what should have do what what I what should I do. Just I think just kept I thinking all these parameters so while sitting on my beds, and this is the growth mindset of any student when they want to do something better in their life. Then after waking after after waking, just you think that what do I do on this day. So if you if you if you just recall what should I do, and if you target ourselves that the whole day schedule, if you make the entire day of strategy, then means the this is this and these topics. Today I must be complete all these topics just because of the just because of uh, basically, bro, sorry, I stopped this video here. I don't remember that I stop it, and I just speak continuously, and I I do not uh, notice that. I didn't notice that I didn't notice that I stopped the videos here. So basically, this time I noticed that, and this just is continue to let's start to continue. Let me tell you one thing. Let me tell you one thing that like I have basically I don't prepare for the speaking here today. I don't remember that. Just I come here to on my the roof of PG, and here I start to speak at random topic. And basically, I most of the time I don't have a timer because my day was scheduled. Whole entire day I scheduled that this and this topic and this topics are today completed. Like and everyone should so everyone should be follow this path if you want to do not if you want to do something don't mean that does not mean that you you do the something does not mean that you does not mean that you does not mean that you have to achieve the big success. Success means like whatever you do, whatever you want to do, and success means basically meaning of the success like you have to live a life, better life in the future. Just these things and not success means does not matter does not mean that you have to earn the lots of money. Just you earning the just you earning the like as much as money where you at that money at that money you can survive you will be survive and this matter like if you want to purchase then you that time you don't think you do not think that like more and more to purchase or not purchasing or not purchasing just to purchase it. And this is the this level this this level can be this is the level where can you achieve the where can you earn the money, then you will definitely to live a better life in your in futures. They do not like what can you say what can you what can say here like don't depend on children's and in so many things are parameters are matter when you when you when you will go to the retirement age. When you go to the retirement age, retirement like the 60 or 65 of age of the you can if you reach that age if you will reach if you can if you would be reach at that age then you you will be you can acquire the as much as money as much as money basically bro success today I realize that uh, why why we need to success because if you don't have a success then anyone come anyone comes to and threat gives the threat to you like any threat. If you have a success if you have money no one can fight with you. And success is like oxygen. No bro, this is a way of living. It says that it says that how how does you live how does you live our life in past or future. So how does you how do you live the life in future. And this is more matter than because money is money gives the power of way of living. If you have a money then you have a purchase a car and so many things. Also you have we have you have you will be roaming the whole world and you will be go you can go the world tour and so many things. Build a you have build a you can build a house in our village and so many things. But bro, I want to purchase. Um, I want to earn the lots of money. This is my target, and I damn sure that I have like मर जाऊंगा ठीक है. I will die to doing a hard work, not like it means this is the कहावतें ये कहावत है. This is the like our ancestors said that if you want to do put our 100% to do like today this is my 7th day of English speaking practice, and continuously I am practicing this way to speak this language. I am definitely to learn that to learn this language. This is not any big deal to learn this language, and if you practice and there is there are bro, I want to say something like there are there are nothing, there are no shortcuts to become a great or successful person. This is the only one way to become hard. This is only one way to become a success. This is the way of hard work and smart work, and you choose the right directions, right area where you can put our 100% and keep working on 2 years 3 years. And if you give the our 2 or 3 years without any distractions along with the consistency, you will definitely to get the success in your life. And I damn sure that I will also I, today at this moment I promise this. I swear that I definitely that have a success, because success is not matter that how you can define the success like a success is like a air, like oxygen. If you don't have a this type of area, you will definitely you are not getting the success of different area. Because if you don't have a success, then you start to work on yourself, and as well working our area where you can the weak area. You start to work on a weak area, you will definitely to get a success. And success is not like a big deal to just to maintain the consistency and progress on day by day. Just to maintain the consistency on daily basis and work on yourself. Work on yourself, and you will definitely like what am I say that here, and does not matter. Basically, bro, just want to say something like today I want to take the topic like marriage. What is the opinion of marriage, and the different person has this generation has lots of like a divorce. Why they give the divorce? Why they are giving the divorce? Or this is not a problem. This is a big problem of this generation. And if they if this if they if the couples, if their partners are start to fight, they don't try to they, they they do not try to manage our they do not want to sort out the why they start to why we are fight. Let's they just they start to think like divorce, and this is the biggest problem of this area. And now and, I'm also afraid of this this problem, because me also, but try to but I try to search the better partner for my life. But, if you have a good partner in your life, then you will your growth of your mind, your growth of your life will be increase, not slowly, very fast. And partner plays the most important role in your life, because if 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 they have a good partner, if we have a good partner, then they support me. They always praise me. If I do something, if I do any work, they no one support you, but she she support they support, but her support me, she support me. So this this is matter to speaking, and so many things. And tomorrow I will think that I will try to just I note it down, what topic will I speak, what topics have to speak, what topics uh, have to speak. Just because I do not I'm not I'm unable to recall that what should I speak. And whenever I and whatever I just I recall it, that random topic, this is not, but anyone just you think that if someone said that just without any information, if anyone said that, if you go to the, if just suppose you go to the any conference, and anywhere just and where the suddenly the, you must be you need to go for the stage and speak something. You will not speak, you will unable, maybe you will not unable to hesitate, and sometimes you lagging and feels like a demotivate, and your performance will go to the tragedy. And these things will happen at that moment. But before giving the speech, and so many things, you must be to prepare before speaking. And this is the this this is the good thing for your practice journey. And like what did I speak right now? I just speak like a student problems like it. And when I when I am preparing for preparing for software developer role, and in this rules most of the students write a code in hand, and this is good thing. But this is good thing, but if you want to become a good engineer, if you want to earn a lots of money, because company wants to like a hard, not a hard worker. Company does not have a required to the hard worker, just required those students, those employees, they work smart. Like if they have any if they have any problem, they how to deal with that problem, how to solve it. This is matter, that this not matter to sit and to solve, to take the 2 or 3 days to solve this problem. Just you have information of this problem, and how to solve, how to sort out, then you have just take 1 to 2 hours to solve this problem, and that person will grow in your life. And this this will this will to work, and this will help them to grow. mm, Basically, when I used to study in class 10, at that time I realized that time I was realized that today I realized that time, why 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 had I not why why had I not got a good marks in 12th exam. Just I take the example. I had I have just acquired the and just I have just acquired the third 61 marks in English. I am But at that time I was good in English, and I like among the class I was good. But why why did I get a good marks? Why did I get a less marks? Just because of the overconfidence, lack of practice. Just I think that I had whatever whatever questions uh, would become, just I write it, and due to the confidence I I written the I had written the few wrong questions, so that I write the like two lines questions I had I had written the 10 lines, just for teachers given me the good marks to but this 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 could be not, this might be not work for my life, and so that I get a less mark and overall my percentage would be reduced. But I had this, but I not like at that time I feel like a very demotivated, but somehow I manage ourselves, and today, but this is not my expectation to reach here, and I was the average student at the at the class 7 in the class 7, but today and today I it does not, today I'm not saying that I'm a good in our area, but I exist in this area where I can do anything, where I can do anything. That because of my consistency, I follow my consistency. I am consistent to do whatever they need to require, whatever they will need to teach it. They will need to they will need. Just I work on that area to get a good placement and good secure my career, and all these things are this, and this is and if you talk about the introductions, like most of the students, like there are three types of introductions, like a formal introduction, and where you can give just like a normal introduction of yourself, like where you belong, what your hobby, and what do you do in your life, and what is your inclination distance. This is the normal introduction for if anyone just tell that, to tell me introduce yourself, and just someone tell that, give me the brief introduction. Like brief introduction means you have added the whatever you do in your life, what like I'm in giving. So I will say that my name is Hariom Patel, and I am pursuing BTech from my name. So sorry, just I will repeat again. Just I will try it. I would I want to repeat my sentence. And hello everyone, my name is Hariom Patel. I am from Gorakhpur, and currently I am pursuing engineering from RKGIT, and my main goal is my main goal my my interest area in web development, as well as problem solving skills, and as well technical skills. Problem solving skills is yes, and I want to improve, and I also improving my communication skills. According to for my perspective, if English is plays a crucial role in the corporate sector. If you don't know how should I speak, how will I speak, then this will not then you will not survive the industry areas and the corporate sector. Then you must be need to learn how will I speak, how should I speak, how will I manage, how 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 have to speak. These things are matter. And now I end of the session here, and bye bye, tata.